We wish to inform the country that our returning officer for Embakasi East constituency, Mr. Daniel Musyoka, has been reported missing while on duty at the East African School of Aviation Tallying Center. Reports received by the Commission indicate that at around 9 a.m. on 11th of August yesterday, he was escorted from his house to the office, that's the Tallying Center, by his bodyguard at around 9:45 a.m. He excused himself to make a telephone call but did not return to the office. Mr. Musyoka's family and the Commission have been trying to reach him without success, and these duties are now being handled by the Deputy Returning Officer. A report of a missing person has been made at Embakasi Police Station. The Commission is deeply concerned about this unfortunate incident and calls upon the relevant security agencies to speedily investigate this matter.